Hello, my name's Elliot. Today we have a special guest. Her name is Maddie. Today we're making cheesecake! Set your oven to 325, boys and girls. 325. We're gonna prepare our crust. We're gonna prepare our crust. They are getting up the graham crackers for the crust. Graham crackers. That crust. We need graham crackers for a crust. Put the entire bag in there. The entire thing. Timber. Oh yeah. That's really good. You're very good. Now, let me zip it up because I know how to do it. Okay, my turn. Now we need to put this in here so we can have 1.5 cups. Abracadabra! Whoa. Yeah. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Fire! We need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now you need 7 tablespoons of melted butter, everyone. Make sure you have a grown-up with you, boys and girls. To cut the butter. So we don't cut our finger off. No, so you need a grown-up custom. You need to cook it in the pan. That's why you grow. Melt your butter in the microwave. Butter away! Hot butter. Cut thirsty. Water break. The twist. I'm a new woman. We don't have a springform pan. Springform pan. I need to still have it popcorn. There we go. Come here, Elliot. Hold it with me. Yes! Yes! Whoa. We'll bake Abby again. And guess what? Whoa. Put it on the side so we don't need it yet. 32 ounces of cream cheese. Beat it so much, but don't beat it too much. Yucky, yucky. Yucky, yucky. Yucky, yucky. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. We let this warm temperature. It's in this bowl, and we mixed it up with the mixer. The whole thing in. Put it down. Use 3 cups of sour cream. My favorite sour cream. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh. 1 more. That contains real vanilla. A little bit of salt. When it's time, you whip the egg first. Mix on the mixer on low. Gradually add your eggs. Can I go first? Yeah. Our cream cheesecake is all ready. Ready goes. Now let's eat in. Yeah, little bit. Look at the favorite piece from Maddie. She had to go home. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.